Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to allow and don't allow microphone in content and privacy restrictions on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the Screen Time. Then in the screen time, scroll down again and click the content and privacy restrictions. Then after that, in the content and privacy restrictions, scroll down and go to privacy section, then click the microphone. Then in the microphone, if you want to change it to don't allow changes, just click it until there's a check mark on the side. This allowing changes locks the settings shown below. New apps will be prevented from accessing the microphone. And if you want to change it to allow changes, just click also until there's a check mark on the side. And that's it. We have successfully allow and don't allow microphone in content and privacy restrictions on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!